CNC laser systems cut aluminum panels with extreme precision. Every dimension must meet strict aerospace tolerances.
Computer-controlled machining prepares every panel for structural assembly. Accuracy is measured down to fractions of a millimeter.
Massive hydraulic presses transform flat metal into complex aircraft structures. The helicopter's signature body begins taking shape.
Every panel is digitally scanned before assembly. Only perfectly matched components continue down the production line.
Precision assembly jigs keep every structural component perfectly aligned. The helicopter's main fuselage starts coming together. Thousands of aerospace rivets permanently lock the airframe together. Each fastener is individually inspected for strength. Titanium reinforcements strengthen the helicopter's highest stress areas. These structures withstand years of demanding military operations. Advanced composite materials reduce weight while increasing durability. Precision bonding creates a seamless aircraft structure. The transmission is the heart of the Black Hawk's power system. Precise alignment ensures reliable performance in every mission. The rotor mass transfers engine power directly to the main rotor system. Laser-guided alignment ensures smooth and reliable operation. The gearbox converts engine power into controlled rotor movement. Every gear is lubricated and tested before installation. Precision drive shafts deliver power throughout the helicopter. Each connection is tightened to strict aerospace standards. The first turbine engine is carefully installed into the airframe. Precision mounting reduces vibration during flight.
The UH-60's twin-engine design provides outstanding reliability. Both engines are aligned with extreme precision.
Power couplings link both engines to the transmission. Perfect alignment prevents vibration and mechanical wear.
The integrated fuel system delivers reliable engine performance. Every fuel connection is carefully sealed and inspected. Hydraulic power assists critical helicopter flight controls. Each line is routed with aerospace precision. Thousands of electrical connections power the helicopter's systems. Every wire is routed according to strict engineering standards. The avionics suite becomes the helicopter's digital brain. Every system is connected before functional testing begins. The cockpit instruments provide pilots with critical flight information. Every display is connected before power-up testing.
Every control input must move smoothly and precisely. Mechanical accuracy is essential for safe flight. The titanium rotor hub forms the center of the main rotor system. It must be perfectly aligned before blade installation. Composite rotor blades combine lightweight strength with durability. Each blade is balanced before final tightening. Each rotor blade is matched for balance and aerodynamic performance. Precise alignment ensures smooth flight. The tail boom provides structural support for the tail rotor system. Alignment accuracy is critical for stable flight. Thousands of precision fasteners strengthen the helicopter structure. Every joint is inspected before moving forward. The tail gearbox transfers power to the anti-torque rotor. Precise installation ensures stable directional control.
The tail rotor counters main rotor torque and maintains directional control. With both rotor systems installed, the Black Hawk is ready for systems integration. The landing gear absorbs enormous impact during every landing. Each mounting bolt is tightened to precise aerospace specifications. Hydraulic dampers protect the helicopter during rough landings. Every suspension unit is tested before final inspection. The reinforced cabin floor supports troops, cargo, and mission equipment. It is designed for strength without unnecessary weight.
Composite insulation reduces cabin noise and improves crew comfort. The interior structure is now ready for equipment installation.
Crash-worthy seating improves crew protection during demanding missions. Each seat is securely locked into reinforced rails.
The cockpit glazing provides excellent visibility and structural protection. Precision sealing ensures long-term durability.
Smooth operating doors are essential for rapid troop deployment. Every hinge and lock is carefully adjusted. Composite engine panels protect critical systems while allowing easy maintenance. Panel alignment improves aerodynamic efficiency. Protective fairings streamline the helicopter and shield sensitive equipment. Every exterior joint is sealed for long-term reliability.
A flawless surface is essential before protective coatings are applied. The Black Hawk is now ready for the painting process.
The epoxy primer protects the airframe against corrosion and harsh environments. It also prepares the surface for the final military finish. Controlled curing hardens the protective primer coating. This creates the perfect foundation for military paint.
The matte finish reduces reflections during military operations. Uniform coating protects the helicopter in demanding environments.
Every painted surface is carefully inspected for consistency. Only flawless finishes move to final assembly.
Identification markings assist maintenance and operational readiness. Every label is positioned according to engineering specifications.
Electronic balancing minimizes vibration during flight. Each rotor blade is adjusted for perfect harmony.
Small adjustments produce major improvements in flight stability. Every correction is confirmed through digital measurements. The first electrical power-up verifies the aircraft's electronic systems. Engineers monitor hundreds of diagnostic checks. Navigation and communication systems undergo comprehensive functional testing. Successful diagnostics prepare the helicopter for engine trials. With assembly complete, the Black Hawk is ready for its first engine start. The next phase will prove the performance of every integrated system. Both engines now operate together under controlled conditions. Engine synchronization is verified before rotor engagement. The transmission delivers engine power to the rotor system. Every vibration level is carefully monitored.
Rotor speed increases under carefully controlled conditions. Engineers confirm smooth and balanced operation. The tail rotor provides precise directional control. Digital sensors verify smooth operation throughout the system. Hydraulic systems respond instantly to every control input. Pressure remains stable throughout the entire test. Every onboard electronic system is tested during live operation. Successful diagnostics confirm complete integration. Manufacturing is complete, and the Black Hawk is ready for acceptance trials. The next stage will demonstrate its performance in operational testing.
Ground movement confirms proper landing gear performance. The aircraft remains stable under operational loads.
A final inspection confirms compliance with manufacturing standards. Every major system receives one last detailed review.
The completed Black Hawk leaves the factory floor for acceptance testing. Every system receives one final visual inspection before flight. Every critical component is inspected before engine start. Attention to detail ensures safe flight operations. Flight test pilots prepare the helicopter for its first operational evaluation. All flight systems are verified inside the cockpit. The engines reach full operating speed as the rotor system comes alive. Real-time monitoring confirms stable performance.
The first hover verifies balance, control, and power delivery. Engineers carefully evaluate every movement.
Controlled maneuvers verify precise handling characteristics. The helicopter responds smoothly to every pilot input.
Flight data confirms the performance of every integrated system. Engineers compare live results with design specifications.
Post-flight inspections verify that every system performed as expected. The collected data confirms manufacturing quality.
With testing complete, the Black Hawk is ready for operational service. The final stage is formal delivery and mission readiness. Every inspection has been completed, and every system has met rigorous standards. The Black Hawk is now ready for official acceptance. Final quality approval confirms the helicopter has completed the production process. Every stage has been documented and verified. The finished Black Hawk is presented after completing its manufacturing journey. It now stands ready for operational service. From raw aerospace materials to a fully integrated aircraft, every staged exceptional precision. From precision engineering to final acceptance, every step contributes to a mission-ready aircraft.